The Regional Institute of Advanced Studies, or RIAS, Nongpoh, held a certificate distribution ceremony today at Science Hall, Nongpoh for students who have completed various computer and music courses. The institute is dedicated to providing training to unemployed youth, addressing the significant issue of unemployment in the region. Cabinet Minister A.L. Hegg attended the event as the chief guest. In his address, Hegg praised the efforts of the director of RIAS in delivering essential training to the youth. He emphasized the importance of not only seeking employment but also becoming employers in the current job market.
But let there is a skill training. Getting a skill, a skill. You pay for them. That is skill about mini pie. You don't have the market. You don't have the demand driven. About the demand driven, you don't have the support of money. But as you like, it does get in training, you like your placement. Come on, you like your come to jump.
The Seng Samla Catholic Laban Parish, in collaboration